So guys, we finished the build of this greenhouse about a month ago now. From there, we've planted all these little seeds and we've got all these vegetables now that have just started to take off. And we're starting to use some of them in our sandwiches. We're starting to put them all in our food. So this is how the greenhouse turned out. This is what it's like now after 4 weeks. And I can tell you now, it's starting to warm up here in Australia. It's actually so hot in here right now. I'm gonna have to start looking at putting some ventilation in. So I closed everything off during winter because it was just so cold. And now that spring has hit, it's starting to get very, very hot. I've also got to look at putting in some sort of drip irrigation because the soil in here gets so hot that it needs constant watering, and as you can see with the broccoli here, it's started to bolt. It's starting to grow pretty quick because I can't keep the soil cool enough. So I'm going to put in some drip irrigation to expand on it that little bit further. All the tomatoes are loving it. They're growing, they're loving the heat at the moment. They're growing well over there in the background. And the strips of carrots that we planted, I don't know if you've ever, actually I've got some left over here. I don't know if you've ever planted any seed strips or anything like this before in your life for carrots, but we did down here, and you'll see they're all growing in the perfect little strips. So that's one thing I definitely recommend in the future after you do your greenhouse is get some seed strips for carrots and any other vegetables that you can find, because they already have the spacing requirements. They got everything for them. Just lay it in the soil, lightly cover, give them a good drench, and away you go. So guys, thanks for checking out this update on the greenhouse. I hope you're having an amazing day. And if you ever thought of cooking those carrots that you've grown at home, here's a little video here where we cooked just outside on the ground in a cast iron skillet some honey glazed carrots in butter and brown sugar. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.